Envato Affiliate Program Tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can join to the affiliate program of Envato. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to start creating an account on Envato Affiliate Program, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Envato, it is a leading online community for creative assets, tools, and talent, in which the company helps millions of people around the world buy and sell creative resources, use smart design templates, and learn new skills. With a vast marketplace and unlimited subscription service, Envato enables creatives to complete projects faster and more efficiently. And the company's offerings span a wide range of categories including graphic templates, website themes, photos, videos, and audio. However, from here to start creating an account on affiliate program of Envato Elements, we can now proceed by going below here on this footer section and click this Become an Affiliate. Upon clicking on it, we will be directed on this page in which it will show us the overview on how you can become an affiliate on this platform. And if you scroll down below here, you will be able to see some other lists of commission that you will get, such as $20 to $120 per subscriber for eligible annual subscribers, or up to $60 for eligible monthly subscribers. And aside from that, you could also earn $20 to $50 for new annual subscribers and $20 for new monthly subscribers, and 30% on your first purchase in here. But before we proceed, if you scroll down, it will show us in here some other customer of Envato, and also the commission rate and also the payout example. The commission rate, as I said earlier, is $120 and $60 for eligible monthly subscriber, while for payout example, it says here that if you refer one annual subscription per day, you'll earn $3,600 per month. And aside from this commission rate, we could also navigate on the top panel this FAQs. If you have a concern or question, you can just go to this frequently asked questions in here, in which it will show you a variety of questions, in which each question has a corresponding answer below, including how do I get paid, how do I find ads and impact, when will I get paid, and many more. And now to start joining to the affiliate program of Envato, just click the link in the description below or this join program button, then you will be directed on this page, in which it will show you that it is also submitted or using a partnered with impact.com. So basically, there's another way on how you can also apply on the affiliate program of Envato, since the other alternative is by going to the impact.com and just sign in your account, or alternatively, you could also go in here and just simply fill out all of this required information, including your company information, promotional information, agreements, payout details, and many more. However, to be directed, you could also go to this impact.com, in which it is a leading partnership management platform that helps businesses create, manage, and scale an ecosystem of partnership across various channels, including traditional rewards affiliates, influencers, commerce, content publishers, and B2B partnerships, in which it also serves as various industries including travel, mobile, B2B, SAS, and even an e-commerce, and the platform is trusted by thousands of businesses and publishers worldwide, helping them drive revenue growth and unlock new partnership opportunities. And now to proceed creating an account or signing in, you could also click the Request a Demo button on the top right corner. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page, and below just scroll down until you find this for creators, influencers, and publisher, and click the sign up as a partner or click the link in the description below. And after signing in, you will be directed on this homepage of impact.com, in which you will be able to see here your today's earnings, total pending, and balances. And also if you scroll down, it will show you some other data including the number of clicks, actions, payouts, sale amount, conversion rate, and EPC. And if you further scroll down, it will show you some other brands and also platform that you could also apply as their affiliate and start promoting this kind of platform. Now from here, to start joining to the affiliate program of Envato, just click under the brands, find brands, and upon clicking on it, you'll be directed on this page right here, in which it will show us a variety of brands in here that we could also start joining to the affiliate program. However, since we're looking for specific brands, which is Envato, all you need to do is to simply go on the search bar on the top right corner and kindly enter the word Envato. But before that, if you also go back on this page right here, it will show us the review Envato elements insertion order, and you will be able to see here some of the payout details and other terms and conditions that you need to consider before applying to the affiliate program of Envato, We have here schedule, action locking, conditions, and any other qualified referrals in here. And you will be able to see here some other payout details, including the amount per order, such as 100 per order, $20 per order, and many more. And aside from that, you could also see here the qualified referrals, credit policy, invoicing details, payout scheduling, and many more. But make sure that you also read all of this and understand the affiliate program, general terms and conditions before applying or joining to the affiliate program of Envato. And after that, below here, if you scroll down, you could also start clicking the button below that says, I approve the contract and want to continue. By simply clicking on it, it will automatically send our application to Envato affiliate program. And you will be able to see it in here that your application is now under review or pending review. So that is just basically the first way on how we can apply to the affiliate program of Envato, while the other one is by simply clicking the brands option on the top panel and clicking find brands. Then we will be directed on this page right here. Then just go on the search bar and can enter the word Envato. But make sure that you also select all brands before you proceed searching for it. And upon searching on it, it will show in here all of the result. But I'm going to choose this one, so can I click on it to see some other details. And it will show us on this pop-up window the details of Envato elements, including some of this social media account. While at the top panel, from here you could also start clicking this heart icon on the top panel to label this as our favorite, or to send directly an email to them, or even message them directly. Now on the right side panel, under promote, it will show us our commission rate that we will get, such as the subscription payment around $20 to $120 that you can earn in 122 days. However, if you also want to know if you're eligible, you could also click the details, in which it will show you other details, including some of this country that you can choose from in order to get your leads. So basically from here you can choose your target audiences to any of this country. And below it will show you how they can track your affiliate, and more program details in here such as product catalog, open to influencers, and many more. And now to start applying to the affiliate program of Envato Elements, on the left side panel, we can simply click the apply button to proceed. And after that, on this pop-up window, all you need to do is to simply enter or to tell Envato Elements why you want to work on this campaign. So just enter here your brief answer to tell the brand why you want to become an affiliate in here. Then proceed by clicking the apply button below to proceed. And upon clicking on it, it will show you that the pending contract has now been under review. So that's basically the other way on how you can apply to affiliate program of Envato. And after applying, if you're eligible to be part of their affiliate program, you could also go back on this page and use these tracker links to promote the platform of Envato, in which you can also use some other social media platform, including your Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and many more. Or alternatively, you could also use some other content assets in here, in which it will show you some other kind of elements such as images, videos, emails, coupons, and many more. And by using any of those assets, such as, for example, this one, by clicking on it, it will show you that you can also navigate its text link, ad code, and even its tracker link. So basically, you can use all of this kind of asset or content to promote the platform of Envato. So basically, that is just how you can join to the affiliate program of Envato. Thank you.